Hey everybody, it's Tyson here, and I am going to unbox this brand new Zuiko Digital ED 75mm f1.8 Olympus lens. You may have recently seen the unboxing video for the 60mm lens, which I ended up returning. You can read the article about that one for the reason why. Okay, let's see here. If you've come this far and searched out unboxing videos for this lens, you're probably pretty familiar with what it can do. I'm sure I'll be putting it through its paces here shortly. Well, it is a solid metal, very solid feel. The dampening and the knurling on the focus ring are both really nice. Pinch cap. That's a good hunk of glass there, and you can certainly feel it, the heft in the hand. Full metal mount. Let's see it on the camera here. There's the OMD. Take my trusty Panasonic 25 off there. A nice solid feel. For people familiar with the 85mm f1.8 lenses for Nikon or for Canon, I would say this lens is slightly smaller but kind of comparable. Obviously the focal length is a little bit shorter, but the barrel of the lens feels roughly the same in diameter. It's got a 58mm threaded diameter inserts, or screw for, I guess, hoods, and for the filters, which I believe a 58mm is the same diameter for a lot of those 85 1.8. So I would say it's comparable. The build quality seems more solid than the 85 1.8s I've personally owned. And, you know, with this being a micro 4/3 native mount lens, you're going to get a 2-time crop factor with this. So instead of a 75mm lens, you're actually going to be working with a 150mm equivalent field of view or angle of view as you would on a full frame or 35mm film camera. All right, well, we'll put this through its paces here and have a test up on the blog shortly. I also wanted to show, by comparison, in size to the really bizarre kit lens that comes with the OMDs, or at least one of the kit lenses that comes with the OMDs, the 12-50. Obviously the 75mm is a little bit shorter. A bit bigger. I believe this is a 46mm filter thread. Filthy front element as well. Let's see, what is it? 52mm. All right, and yeah, we'll get some shots on camera and have it up on the blog soon. Thanks for tuning in.